Morning, people. Sunday, October 1st. So, it's not nowhere near as foggy as it was yesterday. It's hardly even foggy today. I'm going to go out to the building here, and I'll show you guys what me and my dad spent all afternoon doing yesterday. We spent about 3 hours on it, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, 56 degrees out this morning. Feels great. So, it's pretty good. Might fire this thing up today, but I am going to, my mom's going to help her move. Oh yeah, dog. Forgot I parked it there overnight. Well, I guess we can start that real quick. And then I'll let it warm up and go to the building and get a towel. And wipe that seat off. See if the battery's up on this first. If it's not up, then I'm not going to worry about it. But choke's already on. The choke is reversed. Off is on. And on is off. So see if the battery's up. Nope. It's dead. Yep, I bet that I'll probably have to put a different battery in it. It's got good voltage, just the health of it's not good, but alright, let's just go to the building then. There's the stupids. Yeah, in our front yard, we had 3 deer in our front yard earlier this morning. But I like how quiet it is when it's first in the morning, especially on a Sunday. Alright, let's get in here. Oh, I left my tripod out, dang it. Oh, at least it didn't rain, it's just dewy. I'll have to do something with that. I'll go get it. Let me open the door first. I'll turn lights on. All 3 of them. It's a little wet. I'll just put it right here. Guys, see little lights in the back of it? Turn signals. That's what that is exactly. Yeah, 3 hours or 4 hours we were spending on this thing. Oh my God, it was a pain. Real big pain. The whole dash had to come off. And it's all one piece, so this whole thing, oh, it's a pain in the butt. The steering wheel has to come off. That has to come off. The screw right here has to come off. All these screws down here, all these screws up here. It is not fun at all. Yeah, we were kind of cussing at it yesterday. Yeah, but now we finally got the turn signals on, but here's the front one. Now there's no left one because it broke on my dad while he was trying to tighten it up. Broke the wire off and the whole thing. Instead of fixing it, we're just going to get a new one because it's not going to be easy to fix because it's small. It's just cheaply built, you can tell. Still got to hook the flasher up on the battery. I just forgot to do that yesterday, but there it is, and there's the ground wire. I just got it touching the negative for right now. But I don't have 4-ways on this. But I'm going to have to set my camera down to show the flashes because it's one of those switches. It's a window switch, but it's already becoming a kind of a piece of junk. It's a little bit of a mess in here. So that's the right one. And I'm glad we were able to get that light up. And here's the left side. See, it's already, it still works, but I love that. Let me see if this chair will be good enough. You don't need 4-ways on this thing, so we didn't even bother putting them on. They're going to be bright as crap. I think they're brighter than the taillights even. I already know that. Alright, let me turn them on for you. Pretty bright, huh? I'll show you the front one. It's one more thing done on this thing other than just that turn signal on the left front. And after get that all done, I want to put the bigger battery in it. And then after that, hopefully I can move on to the CV joints and get those replaced. So, because they're clicking pretty bad. Bleh. Gaggy. Okay. That's very bright. They are very bright. They're nice little lights. I mean, they'd be good for nighttime. Yeah, it was definitely not easy to do at all, but we already knew it wasn't going to be. I just love flashing them. I actually like these a lot better than the factory turn signals they put on this machine. And it's nice that you can hold it and let it go. Well, yeah, that's why the switch is junk, because the switch is kind of sticky. We started doing that yesterday. There it is. But right, it's perfectly fine. I like this switch being right here. But I'm not starting this thing. Maybe I will, but I might just play with the turn signals a little bit. Good God. Well, that's pretty much it. I'm going to get out of here and play with these turn signals some. So I will see you guys in the next video.